Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to use private browsing mode in Safari on your iPhone 13 Pro. First, open up Safari and then press the tab button in the bottom right. Then press Start Page, the bottom, and then press Private. Now you are in private browsing mode. While in private browsing mode, Safari won't remember any of the pages that you visited and it won't save any of your search history. And that is how to use private browsing mode using the iPhone 13 Pro.